English together. Hey, Angela. How was your day yesterday?
Oh, it was a really nice day. I went shopping with my mom.
That sounds fun. What did you do at the mall?
Well, my mom and I went to a few different stores. First, we stopped by the clothing store.
Oh, yeah. What did you buy at the clothing store?
I ended up getting a few new things. I bought a really nice sweater that was on sale. It's a cozy gray sweater that I think will be perfect for the cooler weather.
A gray sweater sounds lovely. Anything else?
Yes, I also got a new pair of sneakers. I've been needing some new shoes for school, so I was happy to find a really comfortable pair.
That's great. What color are the sneakers?
The sneakers are a classic white color. They'll go with a lot of my outfits.
Awesome. The white sneakers sound perfect. Anything else you bought while you were out?
Let me think. Oh, yes. My mom and I also stopped by the bookstore. I found a really interesting book that I'm excited to start reading.
Oh, what book did you get?
It's a novel called The Secret Garden. I've heard it's a classic, so I thought I'd give it a try.
Nice. That sounds like a good read. It's always fun to find a new book to dive into.
Definitely. Overall, it was a really productive and enjoyable shopping trip. I'm happy with all the things I was able to get.
That's great to hear. It sounds like you had a wonderful day.
I did. It was a really nice day.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.